Alright guys, we're going to give you a turkey vest loadout. We're going to tell you about everything we take with us to the field turkey hunt. I'm going to start with the gun. I take a Remington 20 gauge 870. It's a youth model, so it's compact. I'm running a Clarkson's Longbeard XR choke. And I shoot a mix of Federal TSS 9s and Apex small town blends. I use mossy oak greenleaf gloves and face mask. I normally run my binoculars with a rangefinder so I can always know my ranges. Underneath my vest, I run an Old Tom vest. Here's what I keep in my vest. Usually keep a box call. It's just a cheap flex stone. I don't use it much, but sometimes you need to. Run some mouth calls. We got some Appalachian custom calls. Just various cuts. Got a Woodhaven Ghost. And then I got a whole can full of mouth calls. I don't use mouth calls that much there. When it comes to my pot calls, they're all calls that I made by hand. One of my favorites is this red slate. It's a red slate over glass. It sounds really good. Another one of my favorites is a crystal over glass in a Paduak pod. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I make it, and it's one of my favorites. It's loud, and it's got a real good rollover. And then usually this is changed out for one of 50 of the calls I have, but it's usually a crystal call with some wood soundboard. I carry a lot of strikers because I'll lose them and I like the different sounds they make. Strikers. I can sound like a whole flock of turkeys if I need to. Going through the vest, some more things I carry on the outside here. I always keep a little bit extra Scotch-Brite for my slate call, a little bit of sandpaper and some sanding screen for my crystal calls. Normally it's hanged right here, so it's quick to get to too. Going inside of the vest, normally carry some string if I need to set up a quick blind or something. Make a quick one. Let's see. I always got to carry the toilet paper, which is very important. These are some extra batteries for my red dot in case it dies. You don't want to be stuck not being able to shoot a bird. Then we got a limb hanger, custom turkey tote. So whenever you kill the bird and need to carry it out. Moving further down in here, I keep a owl call because I cannot do the natural voice owl hoot. And I keep a crow call because whenever you need to locate a turkey, it can be useful. Also keep my headlamp. Moving to the other side. Always got to have a first aid kit. It's just got some useful stuff in there. And then this is where I keep all my shells, especially some of my Apex shells. And the vest itself is an old Tom. It's got a big old butt pad on it to keep me comfy. And then some of the decoys I take. This is an Avian X HDR. It's a Jake turkey. And you get 2 different heads to choose from. And I don't take that decoy all the time, but sometimes I'll take this one too. This is one I always take if I'm taking a decoy, and it's just Avian X LDC, LCD, whatever it is. It's the soft body hen. That I lost the stake for it, so I just run an arrow. But that is about all I take to the woods. Some people might call it a lot, some people don't. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe, and comment if you killed a turkey this year.